Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghibli animation. First, understand that Ghibli's charm comes from its unique blend of traditional artistry and profound narratives. It's about creating a world that feels both fantastical and deeply real, often focusing on themes of nature, childhood, and human connection. We'll explore how to capture that distinctive visual style and emotional depth, starting with foundational principles. Next, focus on character and storyboard design. Ghibli characters are often relatable, with subtle expressions that convey deep feelings. Spend time sketching various poses and expressions to bring them to life. Then, meticulously storyboard your entire film, frame by frame. This blueprint guides the animation process, ensuring every scene flows seamlessly and tells your story effectively, much like a comic book. Now let's dive into the animation production itself. This is where the magic truly happens, often involving thousands of hand-drawn frames. Begin by sketching your keyframes, which are the most important poses. Then, meticulously draw the in-between frames to create fluid motion. Finally, add the rich, often watercolor-like colors and incredibly detailed backgrounds that are a hallmark of the Ghibli aesthetic, bringing your world to life. Finally, we reach post-production and sound design. This stage polishes your animation, ensuring every scene transitions smoothly and the pacing is just right. A crucial element is the musical score, which often carries significant emotional weight in Ghibli films. Carefully select or compose music that enhances the narrative. Then, layer in subtle sound effects like rustling leaves or distant footsteps to fully immerse your audience in the animated world you've created.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.